Hello everyone, how are you? Actually, as you can see on the screen, I just want to discuss few major factors that ultimately will help you to boost your score. But the condition is that NTA should consider. What are the factors? Let's see. But before starting, please subscribe the channel, do like the session, and for PDFs, notes for UGC NET English Literature, do join the Telegram. So with this, let's start without wasting time. So here are the factors, everybody. After analyzing, everyone has analyzed on their own self, and many of you also. Everybody has realized that what was the level of the paper. It was difficult. Now, after seeing and analyzing the paper, not the moderate, but the paper was tough and difficult. The factors. So, after analyzing the June cycle paper of English literature, a significant number of questions had inaccurate or misleading options. They have forgot to keep the correct options, or while you can say that in trying to make the paper tougher, they have forgotten to put the correct answer in the options. So this could be the reason they are going to play the major role to boost your score. But the problem is that all the students collectively and majorly many of the students should apply or challenge the questions. They must have considered what the students have faced or gone through this cycle. Some questions were factually incorrect. Incorrect data, misleading data, or many inconsistencies we all have found in each questions, many of the questions actually. And even this, not only this, but passage questions is also wrong. Several passage questions, students are worried. Several passage based questions had ambiguous interpretations, or it is based on faulty framing. In a few instances, more than one option could be correct, or none matched the right answer. Chronology, how many questions were wrong? They have forgotten to put the correct answer. In matching questions also, whether it's a statement based or one liner. There are lot of errors. And the one thing, the typo error is also. NTA is a big body. They should consider all these factors because the student do a lot of hard work day night. They are worried. All the categories, the level of the student, what they have gone through, what they have faced, what they had experienced in this cycle, NTA should be answerable. They have to drop the questions that are totally they have set with irresponsibility. Apart from this, so this type of questions that we have found wrong will definitely affect your scores if only if you will challenge all these questions properly with evidence. You have watched video, you have analyzed yourself, you have your online and offline teachers, so you can take help from them. You have already taken, you have already challenged, so you must be very confident with your answer and evidence that yes, this is wrong. And also apart from that, what types of errors we have found in this? Factual errors, that is questions that mention wrong dates, wrong titles, or wrong authors. Year was mentioned wrong in one of the questions. The term that was coined by somebody else, given not given in the options. So this type of questions we have found, and that is totally showing that how irresponsible the NTA has become this time. Also, multiple correct options, or none of the options were correct from the given word options they have given. Two or more options can be justified as correct. These are either poorly framed or not reviewed properly before the exam they have given just. Many questions there are we have already discussed. And what are the other factors? In passage-based questions, the extract might be misattributed or the questions derived from the passage might have no clear answer from the given text. One question I have already discussed from the passage. I am forgotten the ID, but that was totally not appropriate as per the passage. The passage was from Shakespeare's Measure for Measure. Also, unreliable sources and out of syllabus. This time we have seen the pattern, the label they have set was out of syllabus. They are giving anything. It's like they are asking about Akbar. They are giving the GKGS questions. What about the English literature? The syllabus that you have given us, the students are preparing day and night. So you should be answerable for all these type of errors that you have done. And students are so frustrated, angry. And if they have given the questions that were out of syllabus, some questions were like pulled from irrelevant or unauthentic text, not part of a standard literary canon. So you can think of yourself that what they have done and what they should do now. So what happens when questions are wrong? After the students object, what if the students will object about the questions, they may drop the questions and marks are awarded to everyone, the one who have appeared for the exam, and they also may change the correct option. If they have given all the wrong answers in the options, they should be answerable, they should consider and they should drop that question too. And also they may reject the objection if unsupported in the sense that if you are not able to provide the evidence of your answer, in that case they will reject. Also, here is a fine example. In recent years, 2 to 10 questions have been dropped in these NTA cycle, June exam, UGC NET cycle. Because of their irresponsibility, not only 2 or 4 we can consider, but there are, as per me, as what I have analyzed, since Sunday midnight they have given, I was informing my students through Telegram, and also that, and I was keep analyzing. Apart from my busy schedule, I was keep analyzing that more than 10 questions, more than 10 questions, few questions, 3 4 questions are totally wrong, so that should be dropped and all the students should be benefited, and including the wrong options, whether it's of typo error or whether they have not given the correct one in the options, so they should be responsible for that, not the students. Students should get the benefit. So more than 10 plus questions should be dropped and students should get benefited by all this. So actually, this is what I wanted to discuss, that yes, there are major factors that can boost your score if you will challenge all the questions confidently and with full evidence that yes, this is the correct answer. You have given the wrong options, wrong answer. It's not our mistake, but yours. You should be answerable. You should drop the questions and give us the full marks of the particular question. Why students should suffer? They are already doing a lot of hard work day and night by many of the students with their job. They are managing their study, their finance. There are many issues they suffer, they go through financial crisis, time management. So NTA should consider all this. They should not do this. What they have done, I'm totally disappointed after analyzing. Yes, or not only one or two questions are wrong that we can say, we can avoid or ignore, but there are so many. And let me tell you, if they will consider all the questions, more than 10 plus that everyone has analyzed, many of the students, I mean, majority of the students will crack their NET or JRF, because 1 or 2 marks or 1% is extremely important for the student. Whether it's 1, 2, or 2 to 4, if they will boost the score of the students, they will crack the NET, they should be happy, they will happy. So let's wait for the result, everybody. We have analyzed from our part. Now we are going to wait that what they are going to decide, and they are giving us what the result that we are expecting. But yes, there are many errors we have found, they should consider. This is what I wanted to discuss. Let's wait for the result. This is what I will say to everybody. Thank you so much for joining this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe the channel and do like the session. And please don't worry, it's not your fault. You are already knowledgeable enough that you have analyzed that yes, the questions were wrong. They have given wrong. So you should be happy at least that you are here. Let's wait for the result. This is what I will say. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. And if you have set your mind for December cycle, let's start that also. While keep waiting for the result all together. We should not waste time. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.